So now coming to the next part of the session, wherein we have a few live testimonials coming in, and I think who better to start? Yeah, please, thank you. And who better to start with Hirva? I think Hirva has joined us today. She's been very active in Movement 73. Hirva, I would request you to unmute yourself, switch on your video, and give us your live testimonial for the movement.
Hello, sir. Good morning, everyone. So firstly, I would thank Harsha for giving me an opportunity to share my experience of this event. Movement 73 has been kind of a blessing to me during this tough time. Because that is the blessing.
Yeah, you can continue, Hirva.
Alright, sir. So Movement 73 has not just been a blessing to me. I feel it's gonna for 73 days only, but I feel that even on the 74th day, I'll be working out at 7 a.m. Like 7 to 8 a.m. is gonna be my fitness hour because it has cultivated a habit within me. A habit which even a gym couldn't form because I was always dependent on a gym or a Zumba training. But today, like as Atmanirbhar, even if everything is closed, I can strongly vouch you, sir, that on the 74th day, I'll be awake and I'll be working out at 7 a.m. and 7 to 8 a.m. is gonna be my fitness hour. So thank you so much. That cultivation of habit has really been a byproduct of this fitness carnival. So secondly, I would want to say that I always thought that yoga is for elderly people, and I was always into Zumba since 2016, running, cycling, but yoga was never my thing. This session, this carnival introduced yoga to me in such a different way that today I feel I can do Surya Namaskar in the best way possible. I've started teaching my friends around me, and like yoga sessions have been the favorite sessions these days for me. It's doing miracles and magic on my work. Thirdly, so I have started having my dinner at 7 p.m. every day since a month, and I can see the change in my body, my digestion system, I feel light in my body, I feel better. So yeah, having dinner early is also going to be a part of my lifestyle, not just for 17 periods, but for the longer period as well. And so lastly, I'm so proud to be a part of this fraternity because Institute has not only given me education, knowledge, respect that I get today, but it is also giving me a good health today. So thank you so much, sir, and I'm really proud to be a part of it.
Thank you, Hirva. Very well said. I think Atmanirbhar was something which really I could take it back. And regarding the yoga sessions, I think this Tuesday, I don't want to keep it a surprise. We have another very interesting yoga session. We have face yoga along with power yoga. So I think again we are introducing a face yoga this Tuesday. So all the yoga enthusiasts, I think this Tuesday is going to be an amazing session. Now coming to someone who is a power couple, I'll say, they are motivating each one of us with their activities that they do daily. They are joining in our sessions. They are doing running, cycling, walking, and they are phenomenally connected to this event. I would now request CA Rajiv Shah and his wife Neelam Ben to please address all of us.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
I think I'm audible video.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you, Harit, for inviting us to share our views about Movement 73. Firstly, I'm proud that Ahmedabad branch has taken such an initiative that has put our city in a national place. I think more than 85 or 90 branches of our institute have been covered by this phenomenal activity. Normally, as a chartered accountant, we are usually habituated with taking tension, taking stress, but this activity has took us out of our normal stress level. अगर मैं मेरी दिस एथलेट जर्नी का अगर श्रेय किसी को मैं देता हूं तो दैट इज आवर इंस्टीट्यूट बिकॉज 2010 से 2014 तक मैं जो कर रहा था मतलब नॉर्मली वी आर डूइंग सम एक्टिविटीज इन गुजरात राजपथ क्लब वी आर गोइंग डूइंग सम एक्टिविटीज लाइक दैट If you recall, I think 2014 or 15, Institute has took out one cycle rally in Ahmedabad. And at that time, I had tried, after 25, 30 years, tried my cycle. I took cycle of my daughter. And at that time, that 20 kilometers cycling gave me much stress. At that time, I took a challenge that मैं पहले daily 30-40 किलोमीटर student days में चलाता था, अभी क्यों नहीं चला सकता? So that way I took that initiative to again start the cycling. Again, in the year 2015, then which was my 49th, 50th birth year, and then I initiated that I should make something which I have not done earlier. So in 2015, I started cycling, swimming, and as well as running in a long distance. Since then, I have started my activity of this activity and taken every challenge as a part of my life challenge. In 2015, when I started cycling and started practice, due to my group at Rajpath Club, we are known as the road soldiers. You must have witnessed the last 2-3 days newspaper, that is a media coverage also. Due to this group also, we have started cycling. We had done cycling in 2017 from Manali to Leh Ladakh. That is the highest motorable road and very tough for cycling also. Unfortunately, 2018, I got with a road accident when my left leg was broken in 3 pieces. At that time also, my road soldier team gave me support and great support of my family. In spite of this, my incidents, after that, so many people thought that now Raji will not come back. But due to the support of my team and my family, I again in a 3 months, I back on a road. And 2019, with support of my family, friends, and doctors, I have again conquered Everest base camp. In spite of my road accident, my wife Neelam has started again learning cycling. She also joined me, and since then, now this morning 5 to 8 becomes my regular life of the day. And this 3 hours gives me a pleasure and spirit and gives stimulations to take all the stress of the day. My wife Neelam, due to this last year Slim Possible, my wife was also supporting me outsidely, and at that time also I have done about 275-300 kilometers running. Neelam is my support in every activity. She's joining me, cycling, running, or yoga, or all other things. She may tell something about her.
Hello everyone, I am Neelam Sham. I am 55 years old. First of all, I am thankful to Movement 73 and its entire team. I started my journey in 1998 when I was diagnosed with diabetes and hypertension. I used to walk daily for 30 minutes, and gradually I started learning yoga from different mentors. After that, I focused on my diet by including salads and soup and avoiding junk food. I started running at the age of 49 after listening Sapna Vyas on Radio Mirchi, where she explained how to run for beginners, and also started cycling 2 years back. I am much thankful to this movement, due to which I pushed my daily target to new limits. Now I can run 10 to 15 kilometers or cycle for 60 kilometers with ease. Thank you.
Harit, thank you very much. But due to this increase your limit since last 1 week, you have given us the challenge to test our capacity, how long we can go. And I have made a different goal for ourselves, and let us see how long we can go. And that is mainly thanks to our initiative and thanks to Harit and the team Ahmedabad. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I think commendable. Your journey is so inspiring, and thank you, ma'am. I think when we hear stories like these, I think we feel that we all should get up in the morning and get going, because amazing ways that you both are working, sir. Every day we see 100 kilometers. Every week once you do it 100 kilometers also cycling. So I think we
Today
all should.
also I have completed. Today also I just completed 100 kilometers and came back.
Wow, I think we all should first target 100 kilometers a week also to start with, and then also like you will do it 100 kilometers a day as well. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for joining us today. Quickly coming to Avya Agarwal, she's from Udaipur. So I think Avya, if you can please address all of us.
Hello, sir. My name is Avya Agarwal. I'm from Udaipur, Rajasthan, and I have joined this movement, and it's very nice. I had this shoulder problems, but due to these exercises, stretches, yoga, I have been feeling very good. And even these groups, when they post every their cycling or walking or jogging, and these 12 kilometers in a day, that has been very inspiring. And I'm very glad to have been a part of this movement 73. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Avya. Thank you for your address, and great to see you active today. Also, you are doing with the workouts with all of us. So thank you so much for joining in from Udaipur. I've put in a few messages in the WhatsApp group, even in the chat box right now, for the BCA test, as we had announced earlier. Tomorrow morning, we are having it at our Ahmedabad branch premises. So all those who are based at Ahmedabad, they want to come physically to branch tomorrow morning, 8:30 to 10:30. We have a dedicated slot, and only 35 to 40 people will be allowed. So if you are interested to come tomorrow morning, kindly fill in the Google form and book your slot for tomorrow morning's BCA and fitness test. What is this test about? I think it was earlier explained to you. You'll be, having a BCA test done. You'll be given a report of how much percentage of fat, whatever you have in your body. Plus, you'll be given a fitness test to test your endurance and all. So if you are available tomorrow, please do book the slot in the Google form. And regarding for the all the outstation members, again, we have put in a WhatsApp number. So there are a few details required, like your name, age, your photograph and everything. Then you can put it on the WhatsApp number. They will call you. They will have a half an hour kind of a discussion with you, and then they will also give you your BCA report and personalized workout card. So with this, I would request if Bhavin Bhai has joined. Bhavin Bhai, you have joined? Phone lag raha hai unko? I think he's having some connectivity